guys, my name is Ayushi and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a bit different and this time I'm doing my first ever bag collection. I counted each one of them and I got like 22 bags in total. I want my collection to be more extensive. However, right now all the bags that I'm having, I'll show it to you one by one, starting from the smallest to the biggest, and I'll tell you tit and bits about it. I usually add 3 to 4 pieces per year and some of the pieces are gifted so that I can increase my collection. I don't go ahead and buy like 8-10 bags a year. 3 or 4 maximum, that's my limit. Also in this collection there will be no luxury bag as such, because instead of getting one luxury bag I can go ahead and get at least 10 bags from a good brand. Without any further ado, let's start with my 2021 bag collection and my first ever Diva log on this channel. Hope you will like it. But before that, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also click on that notification bell so that you can get regular updates. Do not forget to do that and come back every day to see more exciting videos. First, I will tackle to the clutches and the wallet, smallest of the lot, and I have 4 in particular with me right now. One is this Aldo clutch which I have kept in a box. It's like this. I absolutely love this chain. Whenever I want to go for a grocery run or something, I just carry it along my hand like this. You can see there are different placements so that you can use you can keep your card in them also. बहुत ही versatile product and I absolutely love it. Next I have from Charles & Keith. Again it's in a box and I love how the packaging was. मैंने ऐसे ही रखा है जैसे packaging थी. This is what the clutch is. It's in this grey color. It's quite big and there are so many compartments as well as 2 zips. So if you want to keep a lot of cash, change, cards, you can do that without any issue. Next I have a wallet which I have not yet used much, and I'm talking about this high design wallet. It's in this faux snake kind of a crocodile texture which I absolutely love. It has 2 compartments and in this wallet there is a lot of space so that you can keep your mobile in it also. Your mobile, as big as mobile, can be fit in this wallet and it's easy to go for any shopping. You can simply grab this wallet and you will be good to go. Next I have a clutch. This is the clutch that I'm talking about and I have this from Venus Steps. I bought it around my wedding so that if I want to go to a function or a get together, I can easily carry it. My mobile used to fit in this as well as other small tidbits, makeup or even some travel perfume and things. It's really spacious, it's sturdy and the material is quite nice. All these strings are quite nicely attached and I absolutely love how it looks. So my 4 clutches or wallets that I wanted to show you, all from different brands. Now coming to small purses, or you can say the sling bags, shoulder bags. Okay, I'll talk about that and then I'll go to some medium and then big ones. In my small purse collection, I have this shoulder bag right here and this is from Satyapal Paul. It's in this bright red maroon color and you can easily carry it around and it looks good if you're going for a party, and with Indian wear actually it looks really good. I like this. I have a sling bag with me. It's really cute and it's really travel friendly if you want to go somewhere, and it's from College Springs. This is the bag I'm talking about. This is how it looks. This is the sling. You can manage it according to your choice and this is how it looks, and it has this beautiful tassel. If you want to remove it, you can easily remove this also from here, and I actually like this. It looks really good if you are wearing any solid white or solid black color. Really like this one. There are 2 bags that I want to show you from Charles & Keith that I have. One bag I have is this in nudish peach sort of a color. It opens up like this and it's really good. It did had a sling with it, but I never used it. I love to carry it this way only, just a handbag, and it looks really good and looks good with colors like plum colors, greens. It complements those colors, even blacks and whites. It looks really good. It's a very versatile pastel nudish peach kind of a color, which I absolutely love. Then from Charles and Keith, I have another bag. It's kind of this rectangular bag. Again, it's a handbag. You just need to open up like this, and it has a lot of compartment space in it, which I absolutely love. And you can carry it really easily. I love how sleek it is, and how, you know, for office going, for business women, I think this looks really good. It's really classy. I absolutely love it. And even it has a back pocket if you want to keep something. Maroon are the colors which looks good with every outfit, be it Indian or Western. So I have two bags from Aldo. It's this green color. It did had a sling with it, which I did not attach, and I think like this only it looks so cute, so cute. Absolutely love it. I mean, I've never seen this color much. I don't know if there are available, this kind of color is available. It's really good. It's really unique, stylish, girlish. Absolutely love it. And looks phenomenal with Western dresses. Next purse from Aldo is a sling bag, which can be converted as a shoulder bag like this. You can just simply pull out the chain, pull out the string, and keep it as a sling bag also. Absolutely love this bag. I like the snake print over here. Pink color is awesome. It looks good with almost every Western outfit. Next bags are the two bags which were gifted to me, and these are from Kairos. Kairos is basically an Indian brand. The first bag I have is this one. See how cool it is, and I love the chain that it has. It's so classy. Absolutely love it. And you have to push it out, and this way it will open up, and you can see how much space it has. It goes well with Indian as well as Western outfit. Again from Kairos, I have another bag. Again, it's a maroon one. It's a sling. There is a back pocket, and when you open the chain, this is the sling that it had. I did not attach it, but the bag is like. Absolutely love this. I like the color, I like the size and everything. I personally tend to go towards smaller bags as comparative to big ones. Small bags are over, and now coming to the medium sized bag. I have basically three of them. I have two bags from Charles and Keith. One is this bag. Absolutely love this suede texture over here, and there are three different colors so that you can mix and match according to your preference. Carry it like this. Absolutely love this golden plating which says Charles and Keith. Love this bag. Next bag I have from Charles and Keith is this one. Again, it can be used as a sling bag. It has these two, but I usually tend to carry it. I like this kind of a style. I like how this bag is combined into two compartments. So एक तरफ एक सामान, एक तरफ दूसरा सामान, and I like that sides में सारा ये suede cloth है, so it's giving kind of a faux leather and a suede finish, which I absolutely love. And this metal hanger is so good. Next bag that I have is from Aldo. This is the one. I like how the snake print is there. It's all over snake print. You can see in every color, so it's kind of a versatile bag. You can mix and match with Indian as well as Western outfits. I love that there is green, there is grey, there is maroon, there is pink, there is yellow. Most of the colors are there, and obviously there is black, so that you can go ahead and mix and match with the outfits. And now coming to the larger bags, I have 6 of them. So the first large bag that I will show it to you, it's this from MK. But I love this bag, and I love that it has this, you know, MK signature kind of that print going on all over. And this is the handbag itself. It's like this. Just going, girl, I think these bags will be superb for you. It has this small compartment where you can add a tumbler or something for food. It has a lot of space, and it's really good for office going girls and women out there. Next two bags that I will show you are from Dune London, and it's this bag. I absolutely love how it looks, and the handle is really cool. I love how it's giving that rope kind of a texture feeling, and then there is this glittery faux leather going all around. See how cool it is. There are 3 textures going off: the metal handle, the rope texture, and the leather texture. So I absolutely love, and it looks really unique. and it will go with Indian outfits a lot. Next again, I have a bag which can be used for offices. It's this bag from Dune London. First of all, I love tan colors, be it beiges, be it browns, every color I love it in tans. And I have this color which has two textures. One is this suede one and another one is this leather one. It's such a huge bag. It can be carried as a sling also. There was a sling in it which I had not used it till yet, and also you can carry a laptop in it. It's that big of a bag, and for office going it will look really good. Next bag that I have is from DKYN and it's in this color. It's kind of like a chuha color, you can say, kind of a grayish brownish color. I absolutely love this, and again these big bags are really good for office going people, and it's kind of a shoulder bag, really good, really spacious. You can use it in different manners and it will look really good. Two bags are from Charles & Keith. One is this one. It's kind of baby pink, a really bright pastel pink bag, and it has a lot of space. I have put just polythenes in it, but it does have a lot of space in it. This is one bag that you can carry it as a this bag has a sling which has this strap so that it will be easy for you to carry, and I use this bag a lot if going on a vacation because it does carry a lot of stuff. Really good, really classy. Last in my bag collection is from Charles & Keith again. One thing that attracted me in this bag was the color, and the color is this. It's a wine color. Absolutely love this color, and I love how big ass this bag is. You can keep your laptop in it without any issue, and it has 2 zip compartments and 3 open compartments so that you can keep a lot of stuff in it, and you can carry it in your hands as well as you can carry it on your shoulder depending upon how you prefer to carry it, and I love how it looks. This was my bag collection for 2021. Hope you enjoyed the series. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is Ayushi. Mwah. Bye. That's it for today's video. Collecting from 3-4 years, most of them have been gifted to me. This is the current collection of my bags that I have. Please show some love to this video so that I can also have another bag collection for 2022, hoping. So let's see what goes. Please do like, share and subscribe. This is Ayushi signing off. Mwah. Bye.